Good morning, all of you. I am Ankit in front of you, science teacher from Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today, I am going to teach you topic sorting of material into groups. What are materials? We see there are different types of objects around us. They are made up of from different material. Just like we are taking example steel. As you seen that from steel there are a lot of object that is made from steel, like knives, bridge, chairs, utensils, car. Okay, there are many things that is made from steel. So there are different kinds of objects that are made from one material, and there are many objects that made up of from different materials. Okay, there are different types of material from which there are many objects made around us. All materials are different from each other, so their properties are also different from each other, but there are many ways in which these different material are alike. Okay, now I am going to discuss in what way. How materials are alike. जो materials होते हैं वो एक जैसे कैसे होते हैं? How are materials alike? There are some common properties that is present in all materials. The first property is all materials occupy space. Means all material occupy space. When we place at some spot, they occupy some area on that particular space. So materials are all materials are occupy space. That the space occupied by any material is known as its volume. Okay, the space occupied by any material, that is called its volume. So all materials have a common property that they occupy space. Okay, second property, all materials has mass. That is, all material has mass in it. Mass is the amount of matter present inside the material is called its mass. So all the materials has a mass inside it. Okay, so there are two common properties. Yeah, there are two ways in which all materials are alike with each other. Are all materials occupy space and all materials has mass. On this basis we are define matters. Matters क्या होंगे? Anything that has mass and occupy space. Okay, anything that has mass and occupy space is called matter. कोई भी चीज जो किसी ना किसी स्पेस को जब हम उसको रखेंगे तो उसको ऑक्युपाइज कर लेगी, घेर लेगी, और उसके अंदर क्या होगा? कोई ना कोई मास प्रेजेंट होगा, उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? मैटर कहेंगे. ठीक है, एग्जांपल जैसे बुक. वी हैव अ बुक. Okay, when we place this book at any place, it occupies some area at that particular place and has also mass in it. So book is a matter. Just like a duster, when I place it in this blackboard, they occupy the area of the blackboard and has mass in it. So this is a matter. So anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. But all things are not matter. There are some things that not occupy space and not has mass in it, like feelings. Then we feel like happy, sadness, any feeling that come inside our body, that are not that are not matters, because they do not occupy any space and do not have mass. So feelings are not included in matter. And other is signals also. Signals are also don't occupy any space. Are signals of our mobile phones, our TV network. The signals also do not occupy any space and do not have mass. So these are not included in matter. Okay, feelings like love, sadness, okay, and signals like cell phones, TV. They are, these are not matters because they do not occupy any space and do not have mass. Now, what is matter made up of? Okay, now our next question is arise, what is matter made up of? All materials that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Now the question arises, what is matter made up of? Matter जो एक्चुअली में बनते कैसे हैं? Take a iron piece. I am going to discuss this with an example. Take a iron piece and break down it into smaller and smaller pieces. Okay, आयरन का टुकड़ा लो, उसको छोटे से छोटे पीसेस में तोड़ते जाओ. लास्ट में एक ऐसी स्टेज आएगी जिसके बाद में उसको फर्दर तोड़ना जो है वो पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. दैट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ आयरन इज कॉल्ड आयरन एटम. दैट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल जो हमें मिलेगा उसको नाम हम क्या देंगे? एटम देंगे. दैट इज गिवन बाय द साइंटिस्ट डाल्टन. ओके, ए साइंटिस्ट डाल्टन, ओके, जॉन डाल्टन, that gave the smallest particle name atom. Okay, the smallest particle of element is called atom. This name is given by John Dalton. Okay, iron atom, iron के जितना भी smallest particle होगा that is called iron atom. gold का होगा तो that is called gold atom. Okay, the smallest particle of gold is gold atom. The smallest particle of iron is iron atom. Okay, the substance or material that is made from only one kind of atom, that is called element. Okay, like gold, iron, okay, oxygen, these are made up of only one kind of atoms, that is called elements. Okay, because they are made up of only one kind of atoms, they are called elements. When I am talking about water, तो वाटर की अगर हम बात करें तो बेटा वाटर के अंदर क्या होता है? देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ एलिमेंट, टू काइंड्स ऑफ एटम, दैट इज हाइड्रोजन एंड oxygen. There are not one kind of atom, so we are not saying that water is a element because it is the combination of two or more elements. So okay, so that is not element. Okay, such substances, such materials are called compounds. Okay, such type of material are known as compound. The substance or material that is made by the combination of two or more elements, that is elements. By the combination of two or more elements they are called compound. ठीक है, दो या दो से एलिमेंट्स के कॉम्बिनेशन से जो सब्सटेंस बनेगा उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? कंपाउंड कहेंगे. ओके, how are compounds formed? How are compounds formed? अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि ये जो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं कंबाइन होकर क्या बनाते हैं? कंपाउंड्स बना लेते हैं. तो कंपाउंड बनते कैसे हैं? बट जस्ट लाइक in English we are read 26 letter. Okay, like A, B, C, D, E, like that continuously to Z. By the combination of these 26 letters there are thousands of word in our dictionary. ठीक है, ये जो 26 लेटर्स होते हैं हमारी डिक्शनरी में, इनके कॉम्बिनेशन से हम हजारों क्या कर सकते हैं? वर्ड्स बना सकते हैं. इसी तरह से हमारे जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स होते हैं वो कितने होते हैं? 117 होते हैं. ओके, देयर आर 117 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एलिमेंट इन आवर सराउंडिंग. तो इन 117 एलिमेंट्स के कॉम्बिनेशन से आप जो अपनी चारों तरफ इतने सारी चीजें देखते हो, इतने सारे कंपाउंड्स देखते हो, मटेरियल देख रहे हो, सारे किससे बनते हैं? By the combination of these 117 different types of एलिमेंट्स। ओके, इसी के कॉम्बिनेशन से, जैसे कि आपके ए बी सी डी से, जैसे हम इससे बनाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, DOG, 3 लेटर्स का यूज करके एक वर्ड बन गया डॉग। इसी तरह से 117 में से कोई भी 2 एलिमेंट 3 एलिमेंट मिक्स होकर क्या बना लेंगे, एक नया कंपाउंड बना लेंगे। ओके, तो 117 के कॉम्बिनेशन से क्या बनते हैं, आपके डिफरेंट टाइप्स के कंपाउंड बनते हैं। अलग अलग जो कंपाउंड्स होते हैं उनकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है, अलग अलग होती है। डिफरेंट कंपाउंड्स हैज डिफरेंट properties because the elements present inside it is different from each other। जो कॉम्बिनेशन से बने हुए हैं वो एलिमेंट्स सब में क्या होंगे, अलग अलग होंगे। जैसे अलग अलग लेटर का यूज करोगे तो अलग अलग वर्ड बनेंगे, ऐसे ही अलग अलग एलिमेंट्स के यूज से जो कंपाउंड बनेगा वो क्या होंगे, आपके अलग अलग होंगे। ठीक है, जैसे कि शुगर आपकी कैसी होती है, स्वीट होती है, और जो नमक होता है, साल्ट होता है, दैट इज साल्टी इन नेचर, दैट इज डिफरेंट nature of substance, a different taste due to the presence of different elements inside it। Okay, so that is the how our compounds form। I hope you understand this topic। I am going to continue this topic in next video। Thanks and have a good day।